guys, dito kami ngayon sa Kevin Basin. So first time namin dito ngayon. Titingnan namin kung ano meron dito sa pasyalan. Let's go, tara! Ito yung mauna.
Oo. Ito talaga yun.
Ito yung magbubuka ng hotel dapat.
Ayan view, oh. Bundok. Ito yung entrance. First time namin dito. At may...
talaga sa loob.
Oh, kasi ano siya, natural eh. Umiitlog o utot. Yung amoy yung pangalang nun eh.
$9 isa.
$9 isa. So dito kami kukuha ng ticket. Bank Park Museum. Become Explorer. Ayan guys, kung nandito kayo sa Bank, dumaan na rin kayo dito. This is one of the tour spot here. Ayan.
Si Candice, ano? Candice Tennis. Joke.
$9 daw ang entrance fee dito. Ang meron dito ay sighting at saka hintayin ka lang kauna-una hot spring.
Space from discovery all the way up to modern conservation efforts that we are doing here at the Kevin Basin. Please let me know if you do have any questions. We will be starting here. We'll go into the cave, and then we'll go out onto the pool deck and end at the back basin. To begin our tour, we'll start with a land acknowledgement. The Banff Field Unit is located on Treaty 6, 7, and 8 of the First Nations, as well as the Métis homeland. These lands and waters have been used for millennia by Indigenous people for sustenance, ceremony, trade, and travel, and we thank them for their continued stewardship and sharing the land with us.
Napasok kami ngayon sa cave sa Cueva. Ano yung tour guide namin sa unahan. Sabi ko, dumidilim na dito guys. Kaya na yung kapasokan namin. Medyo madilim eh. Tignan nyo. Ayan, Cueva kami eh. Oh, ulo.
Welcome. Feel free to go up the stairs.
Kaya. May blow. swimming pool na lang sa
that was put in place to try to reopen. But here's that representation of Generation 2. Although there's a lot of people that are swimming, or it looks like they are, that was a rare occurrence here between 1985 and 1992. The idea of community gathering take place is really amazing. You'll see here maybe held for citizenship ceremonies, meetings itself. We have our winter carnival that you can come back out and join in, where we can do walks on. Welcome to the basin. Start to smell that hydrogen sulfide floor here. This area is the main swimming area at the Caven Basin. Swimming ended in the cave in 1905. So generally, if you came here, you're going to start to go swimming in this area. If you take a look here, this photo still has that representation of this rock outcropping is right there. So again, think about infrastructure upgrades that have occurred and continue to occur. So why are you coming here? Again, mineral-rich water, it is good for your skin as that healing properties. But not only that, the temperature is really excellent. 32 to 34 degrees Celsius, 90 to 95 Fahrenheit. Incredibly comfortable. Not too hot, not too cold. You can stay almost all day in it and feel really good about that. All right? Now, a couple challenges though, because that fertilization produces a stronger offspring as well. Now, these snails live here, and they only live here in Banff National Park. They live in 7 of the 9 thermal pools. Why don't they live in the other ones? Generally, it's temperature. All right? Snails, again, they do like this little the range that we have. They're not too hot, not too cold. All right? Again, they can be choosy. They're snails. They get to pick their homes, and that's what they're doing. What I also find really cool, too, with these snails is how they sometimes swim, and also sometimes how they feed as well. I'm trying to find one right here. This snail is actually moving down. This one's swimming. Let's talk about that swimming one. And I know it's hard to see, and I'll see if I can find another one. There's one. Do I have another one closer over there?
Okay, let's go. Oh guys, pauwi na kami ngayon. Tapos na kami dito sa Caven Basin. So, back to hotel kami ngayon. At magliligo kami sa hot spring.
Sa summer.
Mahaba pa rin, 7% pa lang eh. Ay! Naku pa nga eh. Kaya kami sa hotel.
Swimming muna.
Swimming muna.
I-try natin yung ano,
Hot
sulfuric, hydrosulfuric.
Natural ba yun, bro?
Oo daw eh. Doon daw galing yung tubig, bro. May konting chlorine lang.
Kasi papatayin yung bacteria, no?
Oo. So, gaganda raw yung kutis natin, bro. Hindi na kailangan ng gluta.
Gluta. Ay, may mga damo na sa taas ng bubong, oh.
Ang ganda.
Oo, ito. Parang ano eh, no? Talagang bato eh. Ito.
Ay, ingat kayo dito, madulas yung ano, yung floor. Ay, guys, lalakad kami ngayon papuntang hot spring. Magsiswimming pool dito. Yung mga hot spring daw yun dito. Pati pa rin tanong bang medyo malamig nga lang. Grabe, bundok.
But yeah, I just got to go.
Papasok na kami. Ay, ay, ay. Ito yung entrance. Let's go inside, guys. Lamig. Guys, malakad kami ngayon. Tama si Bro. Hello. Kukunin namin yung mga sasakyan.
Ang dami pa rin tao.
Sa hot spring. Ano pa? Ano pa?
Akkerban.
Akkerban. Hot spring. First
Sarap.
time namin.
Dapat itry nyo.
Sarap siya.
Very relaxing.
Yun yung mga sasakyan namin sa dulo dyan. Yun namin kukuhanin. Diretso sa hotel. Ay, hindi.
Bibili muna doon ng pagkain.
Bili mo na ng pagkain and then diretso na sa hotel. Tapos bukas another adventure na naman. Yeah. Another year adventure. Winter adventure, yeah. Sige, stay tuned guys.